My dear students, good morning. Today I am giving an explanation regarding the specimen paper number 4th, section A. Already you know about the format of the question paper. That is, question paper will be divided into 3 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. Section A having 16 marks and total number of question is 16. So, each question carries 1 marks each. Now come to the first question. Okay. Now specimen number paper 4th section A, 16 marks and total number of question is 16. Now question number 1 is, if x is a member of whole number, then find the solution set of minus x less than minus 5. इसका solution set क्या? Come to solution. Now minus minus दोनों both side आप minus से multiply करोगे, then it will become inequality will reverse. So x is greater than 5. It means इसके सॉल्यूशन सेट हो जाएंगे 6, 7, 8 डॉट डॉट, यानी 5 से बड़ा x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? x इज ग्रेटर देन 5, तो 6, 7, 8, दिस इज द राइट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. क्वेश्चन इज 4:3 proportion x ratio 12. According to question, there are 4 numbers and we know that for in case of proportion, that is a into d equal to b into c. So in place of a there is 4, in place of d there is 12, in place of b there is 3, in place of c there is x. Now 3 4s are 12. So 4 4s are 16. This is the value for the unknown value, that is the x. So this is the question number 2. Now come to question number 3. Now question number 3 is, find the nature of the roots. Find the nature of the roots. It means इसमें आपको क्या निकालना है? Only you have to test the value of discriminant, that is d. यानी d निकाल के ही आपको टेस्ट करना है, इसमें अल्फा बीटा निकालने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to evaluate the value for alpha and beta. Now question is x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Now come to solution. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So in place of b there is minus 3, in place of a there is 1, in place of c there is 5. 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus, 4 5s are 20, minus 20. So minus 11. This is the value for d is less than 0. यानी इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 0 से छोटा है. That's why roots are imaginary. यानी इसका वैल्यू इमेजिनरी, क्योंकि हम लोग जानते हैं there are 3 conditions for the discriminant. If d equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. If d is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. And if d is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Find the T20. Find term number 20 for an AP whose series is given. For an AP whose series is given as 4, 6, 8 dot dot dot. इसके लिए आपको T20 की वैल्यू निकालनी है. So according to question, a equal to 4, d is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2, then T20 means A plus 19D, because according to the formula we know that Tn term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D, so in place of n there is 20, so 20 minus 1, that is 19D. Now value of A 4 plus 19 into 2, 19 to the 38, 38 plus 4, that is 42. 38 plus 4, that is 42 is the right answer. Okay, next question, that is based on topic arithmetic progression. Which term of an AP is 205? And series is already given. Now come to solution. Value of A, that is 7, B is equal to 13 minus 7, 6, and 205, this is last term, that is Tn term. Let Tn term is 205. So according to question, Tn term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn term A plus n minus 1 into D. Now in place of Tn 205, in place of A there is 7, in place of D there is 6. So 205 equal to 7 plus 6n minus 6. So 205, 7 minus 6, 1. This will transfer to LHS, will be minus 1, equal to 6n. Now 204 divided by 6 equal to n. 6 3s are 18, 2 6 4s are 24. So value of n, that is equal to 36. It means 205 is in place of 36 टर्म, यानी ये टर्म जो है हमारा 36 टर्म होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द रिमाइंडर व्हेन 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x माइनस 6 इज डिवाइडेड बाई x माइनस 1. इट मीन्स इसके लिए हो जाएगा x माइनस 1 है तो पॉलिनोमियल 1, x के लिए क्योंकि अपोजिट रख देंगे इसमें 2 इंटू 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4 इंटू 1 माइनस 6. So 2 plus 4 minus 6, 6 minus 6, that is 0. It means it is a factor. अगर पूछेगा कि ये फैक्टर है या नहीं, लिखेंगे yes it is a factor. Now question number 7. Find the mean. Find the mean for 2 and 72. There are two numbers as given and we know that mean is equal to under root AB. So in place of A there is 2, in place of B there is 72. Now 144, so square root will be 12. This is the right answer. Okay, next one, question number 8. Question number 8 is if A equal to minus 4 2 3 0 and B is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 3 0, then find A plus B. अब A और B को ऐड करना है तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा A plus B means A11 goes to A11. Minus 4 plus 4, this will be 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 0. 0 plus 0, 0. यानी यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि जब ऐड करोगे तो ऑलरेडी एक साइन पहले से माइनस है और एक प्लस है, तो प्लस माइनस माइनस, सॉरी माइनस हो जाएगा, यानी वैल्यू आ जाएगी इसकी 0 0 0. Okay, this is the right answer. Find the next two terms of an AP whose series is given as 7 15 23. इसके नेक्स्ट टर्म आप बताने हैं तो पहले ये दो तरीका है, या तो आप D निकाल लो और डायरेक्ट उसके ऐड कर दो. तो डी की वैल्यू यहाँ पे हो जाएगी 15 माइनस 7 यानी 8। तो नेक्स्ट टर्म इससे 8 ज़्यादा होगा यानी 24 जो होगा 23 प्लस 8 31। T5 हो जाएगा 31 प्लस 8 that is equal to 39. So these are the next two terms of an AP. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा राइट द कंडीशंस फॉर अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैविंग इमेजिनरी रूट्स दैट इज d is less than 0 because we know that there are three conditions. If d is equal to 0 then roots are real and equal. If d is greater than 0 then roots are real and unequal, and d is less than 0 means imaginary root. Now next question, question number 11. What is the degree of a standard quadratic equation? Degree means power. So come to solution. Degree means power. So maximum power we know that in case of ax square plus bx plus c means maximum power is 2. So degree will be 2. Right answer is 2. Degree means power. Now next question number 12. Give one example for row matrix. Give one examples for row matrix. Row matrix means only one row, केवल एक ही रो हो, that is known as row matrix. 2 3 0. This is a row matrix because there is only one row, row 1, and order of this one is row 1 column 3. But this is example for row matrix. Okay. A person deposit rupees 300 per month for 20 months. If rate of interest is 6%, then find the total money deposited. In that question, the rate of interest is no need. यानी इसमें रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट का कोई नीड नहीं है. आपको बताना क्या है, टोटल मनी डिपॉजिटेड. टोटल मनी डिपॉजिटेड that is P into time. Value of P is 300 and time is 20 months. So 2 3 6 30 means 6000 is the total money deposited. और इसमें इंटरेस्ट का कोई भी यूज नहीं हुआ. Okay. Next one is question number 14. Find the Tn term of an AP whose series is given as 2 4 6. If find Tn term if series is given as 2 4 6. Now come to solution. Value of a 2, d is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So Tn term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of a there is 2, in place of n this is unknown. Now d is 2. So 2 plus 2n minus 2 minus plus cancel. So Tn term is equal to 2n. This is the right answer. ओके, यानी Tn टर्म आपको निकालना है तो इसके लिए आएगा 2n. ओके. If A equal to 1 0 0 1, this is a आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स और यूनिट मैट्रिक्स, और इसका जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे तो सेम रिजल्ट आएगा. इसको करके देख लेते हैं. A स्क्वायर दैट इज 1 0 0 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय सेम यूनिट 1 0 0 1. First row, first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. This is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. So right answer is the same. तो अगर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो आप डायरेक्ट विदाउट मल्टीप्लीकेशन सीधा लिख देना कि आंसर सेम ही आएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ सेक्शन ए. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 जो है ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपका है. राइट वन एग्जाम्पल फॉर कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. कॉलम मैट्रिक्स के लिए आपको एक एग्जाम्पल लिखना है. कॉलम मैट्रिक्स मीन्स अ मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन कॉलम. यदि एक ही कॉलम हो लाइक दिस. सो कम टू सॉल्यूशन. 1 0 1. Here is only one column is there, but row is 1 2 3. So this is 3 into 1. Order of this matrix is 3 into 1, and 1 that is give the representation of a column 1. Okay.